Good evening, traders, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an updated video on Bitcoin using the Coinbase chart. And why would we do that? Well, because we have some interesting price action. We just broke out of a bull flag consolidation that pushed us through the parallel, okay? And what parallel am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about this parallel that has framed us out for the better part of, what was it, 4 or 5 years? Yeah, going back, actually 7+ years, right? So let me show you this, guys. So we have this parallel that we've been working inside of, dating back all the way till we established it in May of 2018, right? So we've been confined by this parallel. There's no arguing that, right? We have this pivot top high, this high, this high. We have these lows. And if you watched my last video, I compared this kind of M top to what we potentially could be doing right now. It's not for certain, doesn't mean history has to repeat itself, but it's eerily similar, right? So let's kind of break this down and let's look at where we're at today and what's kind of going on. So the first thing I want to do is I want to reapply some of the other parallels that we've kind of been trading inside. So the first one is this one, right? So if you remember my last video, you can see we traded inside this parallel, we broke down, and now to me, what are we doing? We're just coming back up and retesting it, honestly. I mean, if you're being objective here, we're only retesting it. We have not broken back inside it, okay? Next, I want to apply the other parallel we were in. So we were in this parallel, and you can see we had this bull move up, or bull flag. We consolidated on the top of it, which usually is pretty darn bullish, and what happened? We broke out, okay? Now, the important thing is, what did we break out from? And truly, where are we, right? So this is interesting, guys. Check this out. Okay, we tried to have this breakout here. What did we do? We wicked through the previous all-time high here, wicked through, but did not close, okay? Then yesterday, meaning today, right, because we're on a new day here because crypto trades 24/7, but it closes at 5 o'clock. So our daily candle for today closed where? Where did it close? It closed above the main channel, but below this ascending channel. Pretty interesting stuff, right? I mean, you can't deny it. So we do not, so we have a bullish move. Here's a couple things, guys. Okay, you gotta walk through with me slow here. The first thing is we have a bullish move and a close above this high. Okay, so that makes this support, provided we could get a close above this high. Okay, you gotta follow me here. So this high here, not the candle close, but the high. So where are we at today? Well, we kissed it, and we're trading just below it and under this channel, this parallel. So what's interesting, right, is today, meaning Friday, candle, do we get a close above this high, okay? If we get a close up here. If we do, it's going to mean a couple of things. One, it's going to confirm the breakout of this horizontal resistance, okay? So that will become major resistance. Two, it will give us a close back inside this parallel. But we won't have confirmation on this parallel until Saturday. So check this out. So say it closes tomorrow there, okay? 117,871. Say it closes there. Then we have confirmation that we're above this, but inside this. We would need another close after Saturday's candle on Sunday. So you see how you kind of have to watch this and analyze it on a daily basis, day by day, because each close gives you either a new level of confirmation, potentially, or just consolidation, or a move back in. But what's super interesting, guys, is here we are. We're at the top end of RSI now with Bitcoin. RSI could pump. It could get high. I mean, you could see it could get to 92, 93. So guys, right now, in fairness, we're only at 83. So this thing you could see Bitcoin pump higher. I mean, I wouldn't be the least bit surprised to see this thing, based on all of this momentum and everything, to pump to the midline, 125. Now, personally, I hold Bitcoin. I'm a believer in Bitcoin from a long-term perspective, and I have my core stack in cold storage. What I trade, however, is different. So I was in IBIT, I was in BITX, and I sold them both today when we kind of got through here. Why? Not because I don't believe in Bitcoin or where it's going, but because short term, I think we could see a pullback. Because one, we haven't even confirmed this line yet, right? That's going to be tomorrow if we get a close, like I said above here. So short term, do I think it could consolidate under this parallel and come back and retest this at 112, 111? Absolutely, right? So I'm going to trade around that thesis. I make stocks and especially crypto prove itself, and then I act accordingly. So again, even though I think Bitcoin could potentially is going to 250, 500,000, a million, I don't trade based on that. I invest long term. My core sats are in cold storage because of that, but I'll trade around that, right? So I sold off my IBIT, I sold off my BITX today for pretty nice profit. So I'm happy with that, right? And if it moves to 125, so be it. But I can't trade like that. That's not how I trade. I trade based on facts. I trade based on price action. I trade based on what the chart is telling me. So the chart's telling me now that all we have is a breakout of this line. Even though, guys, again, this is important, even though at present we're above my long-term parallel, and even today we're trading above it. But again, no confirmations, guys. So what could this do? I mean, it could do this. It could shoot up like this tomorrow, right? Boom. It could do this. This would be crazy if it did this, but it could shoot right up, come back inside, and never confirm. Like, that could happen. As crazy as that sounds, it could shoot all the way up here, come back in, and never confirm above this parallel, right? Could go here. It could do whatever it wants, right? It's Bitcoin. Well, that's one thing I've learned about Bitcoin. It can do whatever it wants. So who knows, right? But I'm going to trade based on confirmations, based on what I'm seeing. And what I'm seeing is massive, good volume. But now we need a follow through today on Friday. So we'll see how this candle closes, guys. And if we come on, let's look at it on the 4 hour. Let's just take a peek and see what we see. Okay. So we could go through that same exercise, right? So on the 4 hour, right, we have a breakout here. We have confirmation. And now we're waiting on confirmation again. So we have the first breakout. So on a 4 hour, this is confirmed. This line has already confirmed. Whereas on the daily, it's not. Now on the, let's go one more down. Let's go to the hour, okay? So now on the hourly chart, let me walk you through its confirmations. So we have confirmation of this line, right here. That candle confirmed this move, okay? So we have that. Now we have confirmation. Oh man, my levels, guys, are so damn good. I mean, look at this. You get in the hourly chart, tell me they're not perfect. Come on. Oh my God. I'm not patting myself on the back or anything, but maybe I don't know. Anyways, I digress. So we have the breakout here, okay? No confirmation on that candle. No confirmation on that candle. No confirmation on that candle. But what does it do? It retests the breakout perfectly, literally to the tick. Look at that. It's crazy. So then, no confirmation there. Oh my God, this is a beautiful training, guys. Okay, so check this. No confirmation here. Why? Why, guys? Because it did not close above this candle wick high. So we still on the hourly do not have confirmation back of this candle right here. All we have is confirmation of this support at 112, 111, 112. So guys, 112 is major support now, just so you know. When you see if you see us come back down like this, okay, if you guys see this move, why is this not working? Okay, guys, if you see a move like this down here, that's a buy right now because of this confirmation on the hourly, right? Even on the 4 hour, they're the same. So yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. I wanted to take the time to really kind of walk you through the process, the levels, and hopefully this helps you guys see what's coming next with Bitcoin, where the levels are, where the resistance is, where the support is, if you're not in it, where you're buying it, if you are in it, where you're selling it, and all those things. So do me a favor, guys, smash that like button, show me some love, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. And I'm going to do ETH next. I'm looking over there. Yeah, this thing's popping too. Crypto's rocking, baby. All right, so hit that like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.